In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an image with Google Gemini AI. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along from start to finish. First, open your Gemini account. That just means heading to the Gemini interface and making sure you're signed in. Once you're in, you'll see the main workspace with a text box. Think of it like a search bar or chat field where you talk to Gemini. This is where all the magic happens. Everything you want the AI to draw starts with the words you type here, called a prompt. The more clearly you describe what you want, the better the image Gemini can create for you. Next, place your cursor in that text box and enter your prompt. Be specific about the subject, the style, and the mood if you have one in mind. For example, you could mention lighting, color palette, or perspective. If you're not sure where to start, keep it straightforward and let Gemini handle the creative lift. To demonstrate, I'm going to write, create an image of birds. This is a simple prompt, and it tells Gemini the core subject. If you already know more details like colorful tropical birds on a branch at sunrise, high detail, soft background, you can include those right in the same prompt. Clear language helps the AI translate your idea into a visual result, but simple requests work too. After you've typed your prompt, press enter and wait patiently while Gemini generates the image. The system needs a moment to process your request, and the time can vary based on complexity and traffic. You'll see the result appear automatically when it's ready. If it takes a little longer, that's normal. Just give it a moment to finish. If the interface shows a brief loading indicator, that simply means the model is composing the image from your description, which is completely expected. That's the entire flow. Open your Gemini account, enter your prompt in the search bar, type something like, create an image of birds, then press enter and let Gemini do the rest. As you work, remember that your words are your design tools. Small clarifications, like mentioning a style such as watercolor or photorealistic, noting a setting, or describing the mood, can guide the output toward what you imagine, all within that same prompt box. And that's it. You now know how to generate an image with Google Gemini AI using a clear, simple prompt and a single press of the Enter key. Over time, you'll get a feel for how your wording shapes the output, so keep your descriptions clear and let the tool do the heavy lifting.